Learning English, mastering phrasal verbs, look up. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into the world of phrasal verbs, specifically, the phrase, look up. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use look up like a pro. The first thing we need to do is understand what look up means. As a phrasal verb, look up can have two main meanings. It can mean to find information in a book or a list, or on the internet. For example, I don't know the meaning of this word. I'll have to look it up. It can also mean to improve, as in a situation or condition is getting better. For example, after a long period of struggle, things are finally starting to look up. Now that we know what look up means, let's explore how we can use this phrasal verb in different contexts. 1. Information searching. 2. I didn't know the capital of Australia, so I had to look it up. 3. When you come across a new word, look it up in the dictionary. 4. Not sure about the weather tomorrow? Just look it up online. 5. Situation improving. 6. After weeks of hard work, my grades are finally starting to look up. 7. With the new management, things at the office are beginning to look up. 8. Don't worry, things will look up soon, just keep trying. Take some time to practice these sentences. Try to come up with your own examples using look up in both contexts. Even though look up seems simple, there are some common mistakes people often make. 1. Do not separate look and up with the object when the object is a pronoun. Incorrect. Look it up. Correct. Look up it. 2. Do not use look up to mean physically looking upwards. We usually just say look up or look upwards. And there we have it. You've just learned how to use the phrasal verb look up. Remember, learning is a journey and practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing and soon enough, you'll look up these phrasal verbs without a second thought. Thank you for watching and keep up the good work with your English language learning journey. See you in our next video.